Do you want your dog to live a healthier, longer life? If that's a yes, then let's introduce you to the ultimate primal nutrients for dogs. Imagine a nutritional powerhouse that can purge your pet's body of extra weight and toxins. We're talking about a blend of nutrients that can fortify their liver, kidneys, and thyroid, empowering them to combat unnatural GMOs, preservatives, and allergenic grains. But wait, there's more. These primal nutrients also wage war against advanced glycation end products, or AGEs, that are lurking in their bodies. And the benefits don't stop there. This treatment can supercharge your pet's digestion and dial down inflammation throughout their bodies. If your furry friend has been suffering from aches in their joints and tendons, these nutrients can be their saving grace. So, wouldn't you want your best friend to enjoy these incredible benefits? Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the journey of a dog benefiting from these nutrients. Meet Max, a 7-year-old golden retriever who loves to play fetch. But not long ago, Max was struggling. He had extra weight that slowed him down and made playtime less enjoyable. His digestion was poor, causing discomfort and making him lethargic. His joints ached, making every step a challenge. Then, Max's life took a turn for the better. He started on a diet rich in primal nutrients, a unique blend of nutrients that are designed to cleanse a dog's body of toxins and extra weight. These nutrients also strengthen the liver, kidneys, and thyroid, helping them fight against unnatural GMOs, preservatives, and allergenic grains that are already in their body. With this new diet, Max's health improved significantly. His digestion worked better, making him feel lighter and more energetic. The inflammation in his body went down, and his joints and tendons were no longer aching. Max started to enjoy his playtime more and became more active and lively. The transformation was incredible. Max was not just surviving, he was thriving, he was happier, healthier, and full of life. And the best part? He was adding years to his life. He was living his best life, all thanks to these primal nutrients. Max's journey to better health was made possible by these unique primal nutrients. And just like Max, your furry friend too can embark on a journey towards better health and a happier life. We believe every dog deserves to live a healthy, happy life just like Max. That's why we're introducing a special offer just for your furry friend. By clicking the link below, you'll unlock an exclusive discount on our primal nutrients. This isn't just a tasty treat, it's a golden ticket to a healthier, happier, and longer life for your canine companion. Don't wait. Give your furry friend the gift of health and happiness today. Click the link below and let's start this journey together.